Okay, magandang gabi mga kabayan. Andito na naman ako si Hazel Betcha by Golly Wow. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo this time yung fresh Christmas tree na pupuntahan ko. Papakita ko lang. Dito sa Amerika, some of the people, they buy fresh Christmas tree. Yeah, I just want to show it to all of you mga kabayan. Yan. Meron silang eto, ang ganda, di ba, no? Talagang Pasko na. It says Pumpkin City Christmas and they have like a giant Santa Claus here. Ayan po. Thank you very much. Advance Merry Christmas again and have a good day. Bye. God bless you all.